everyone, welcome to the first video on my channel, and it's gonna be a room tour video. So the new batch has just come and we have shifted to a double occupancy room which also has an attached washroom and a kitchen. So let's begin with the video in which I'll be covering each and every detail of our room. So this is my roommate's part and this is the washroom. Let me directly take you to my room now. As you can see that the room is pretty spacious. Now I'm going to tell you what we are already provided with in our rooms. First is this bed with a mattress, a bed box which you can use to store your clothes, and this study table, this chair, the cupboard on the wall, and this almirah. Along with the almirah, we have two drawers for your shoes and slippers. So coming to this wall, first of all, we have this beautiful sticker which I got from Amazon. This mirror which I got from a shop in my hometown. This fridge which I also got from home, and this usually has all the fruits, vegetables, milk and stuff. Next we come to this cupboard, and this usually has all the books and stationery that are used by me in the first year. And as you can see, there are a lot of books and it's not a surprise when it comes to MBBS. So now about the three drawers in the study table. The first one contains my OPT papers and some random stuff. The second one has all the medicines, and the third one has some poly bags and an extension. We also have a cooler and a yoga mat. Uske पीछे in this corner whenever I need to work out. उसके बाद we come to these two inbuilt cupboards, and this contains a bag and that one is empty. Next on this wall you get this big window, and that is obviously for drying clothes. Next important thing which we should talk about is this almirah, and here's a towel. So you can see there's a lot of space which you can use to manage and organize your stuff. Like for example, this compartment is for my skincare and cosmetics. This is for my general daily wear clothes. And here's a blanket and some laundry clothes. These two drawers contain some handkerchiefs, socks and stuff. And uske upar we have this bag which I use to travel sometimes. And this one is empty because I didn't have anything to keep here. And here's my uniform and some clothes which I haven't even worn once. Let's move on towards the most attractive wall of this room, and here it is. I have decorated it with some artificial leaves, a dream catcher and some posters. So I found these posters really cute, and they have some positive informative quotes. And also there are some fairy lights which I sometimes use at night, and here you can customize your room as you want. So I thought, why not make it a place you want to stay in. Also the view from the window is a cherry on cake. That's the PG girls hostel in front, and you can often see the sunset there. So now we move on towards the kitchen, and these cupboards are already provided to us by the hostel. So what we have got here are some utensils, some vegetables because I sometimes don't eat in the mess, and an induction. Next, talking about these three cupboards, this has groceries, and the other two has some cardboard boxes and a mixer. And shelf ke niche, this drawer contains some cutlery and some containers which I use rarely. And yeah, I think I've covered it all. So with this we come to an end of our room tour video, and I hope you guys like it. Do let me know in the comment section which according to you is the best part of the room. See you next time.